How to fix WhatsApp QR code scanner crash. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix WhatsApp QR code scanner crash. The first thing you want to do is open up Play Store. Now tap on the search bar. Here type WhatsApp. Now, if you find the update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. Once that is done, open up your settings. Scroll all the way down and tap on Software Update. Now, if you find an update, you want to update your Android OS. Once that is done, open up your settings again, then tap on Apps. Now, from this list of applications, find WhatsApp and tap on that. Then tap on Permissions. Now tap on Camera. Make sure you have set this to Allow. Once that is done, head back. Now tap on Storage. Then tap on Clear Cache. Once that is done, launch open WhatsApp and check if your problem has been fixed. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.